Good morning, everyone. Welcome back. Wednesday. We can start with Bitcoin as usual. I think it's a good idea. I think Bitcoin did something nice overnight. Morning, Bukur. Morning, Christian. Morning, Bova. Well, how you can know that people appreciate the live stream? Well, you see the people waiting, and especially you see people putting the like before you even start the live stream. That's a good tell that some people appreciate the live stream. More than happy to see that. Morning, Stefan. Okay, now treat market like a business. Okay, don't fucking FOMO here, please. Yeah, we have the investments. If the market will be so strong, the investments will go bigger. Okay, you don't have to fucking chase here. Lose your head. Don't respect your plan. Yesterday everyone was bearish. Well, we'll go down. Now everyone is bullish. So could be sell the news kind of event. Yeah, initially strong, but after that could be a fake out of the all-time high. That all-time high. Let's check the chart. This all-time high happened overnight. Okay, not in London session, not in New York session. You think this is a real breakout for the moment? Yeah, indeed. Show me a high, I'll show you a buy. But show me a high and show you a buy, not show you a FOMO. I'm not buying here at this point in time. I know a lot of people are feeling that sentiment. Well, I missed the bus. Don't go without me. No. Slow down. We have pump chaser zone. We have long reload zone. We have holy grail. We have trend continuation setups. We have every tool needed to jump in the bus when we'll slow down. Okay? Don't chase. Don't FOMO. That's for the start of the live stream. Okay? Now, looking at this chart on one day, I could show you something like this. You can see here what I'm doing here. I'm joking. It's late 2024. Trump, I don't know. It's one already, or will win, or Kamala will win. Kamala will give us another opportunity to buy, people. Nothing more than that. Don't imagine Kamala will destroy Bitcoin or altcoins. That's the belief we have from Twitter. Yeah. Why? Because Elon Musk is with Trump, and you got the idea. Yeah. Don't be manipulated. If Kamala won, well, in that case we'll have a nice big juicy dip, so we can buy once more. Some people will panic, okay, but don't think it's the end of Bitcoin or altcoins. Come on. I think you are more mature than that. Please hit the like button if you want. Share the tweet from Twitter with this live stream. Maybe some other people want to see it. So for the moment, you know me. It's a breakout or it's a fake out. You know what I'll assume. Specifically that we didn't do that in a session. And if I'll open something like this, and if I'll put big news, okay, let's put some big news here. Let's put, I don't know, this week. Okay. Well, what do we have tomorrow? It's a good idea to chase the market before the Fed interest rate decision. It's tomorrow, guys. It's not 2 weeks from now. So stay cool. Wait. Let's see if Trump won. And then maybe we get a dip in the Fed interest rate decision. Okay? Well, it doesn't matter, Bukur. As many as needed for the market to reset itself. If not, if Trump will win, market will find another reason to shake them out. Don't worry about it. And Friday we have Michigan consumer sentiment. But tomorrow we have big news. So Don't FOMO, don't chase. Okay, back at chart. Here, I'm not chasing on daily. I don't see anything bearish. Could form something ugly here. Could form some bearish divergence if we'll stop here on daily and we'll come back down. Look at this RSI. Yeah, possible bearish divergence. OBV similar. Yeah, the volume is not here for the moment. We need to cool off a little bit, go back at 70, 71, and then push back up. Well, okay, I could take that. But I'm not chasing here. I'll repeat 10 times more until the end of the live stream. Okay, that's Bitcoin. Ethereum, back in the range. Yeah? Uptrend channel, best solution is to find fake outs to the downside, buy the back in the channel. Yeah? So, uptrend channel still valid. We are back above $2,500. What will happen next? I don't know. Now, if we close like this, above 2,500 will become a support again. So, when we'll retest that level, could be a buying opportunity. Here in the highs, I don't think it's a good idea for us to chase at $2,630 kind of idea. Okay? That's my thinking on daily. And if I'll switch on 4-hour chart, well, don't tell me you didn't saw this double here. It was there. Unfortunately, I was sleeping when this W formed. But I don't need to catch all the buses, all the trains, just some of them. Bitcoin dominance. Well, at least Bitcoin dominance, it's still at 61.8 here. I don't see any M. I will go on 4-hour chart. I still don't see any M. I still see high volatility. Can you see it here? Yeah. So Bitcoin is slowing down. Altcoins are recovering a little bit. But people, we are still at 60%. Market could become volatile and stay here. If we don't see a clear EM on 4-hour chart for the beginning and then a daily chart, don't imagine that altcoins will outperform Bitcoin. If Bitcoin goes up and Bitcoin dominance stays above 60, altcoins will follow Bitcoin. So we can still make some money, maybe some shorts even. Some strong ones definitely will outperform. But no altcoin season. Not general altcoin season like we like to see. Everything will pump. No, now it's selective. This one is strong because has news there, because something happened there. Okay, this one will outperform. Let's find another one. And from thousands and thousands of altcoins, you can find maybe 50, 100 that will outperform Bitcoin. But not in general sense. Okay? If we are good enough to find one of the 50 coins that will outperform and maybe hunt with Holy Grail and stay there for longer than usual, then we can make some money. So back on daily, we don't have an EM here, not even on 4-hour chart. Daily is just a blimp in the chart. Ethereum versus Bitcoin. It's trying to recover. It's trying to do something here. Don't short, don't long. Just leave it alone. Let it make a W on daily. At least a W on daily until we can think about, well, Ethereum is doing something. But specifically, don't short. Don't think short here, Ethereum versus Bitcoin. DXY, well, look at DXY. It's in the short reload zone. It's strong like ball for the moment. Let's wait tomorrow. Bitcoin, we discussed 69. It's a key level. We closed below. We closed yesterday above 69, and you can see today what we did. Big strong candle. How this candle will finish? Well, I don't know. Let's hope that will close above 69. It's all I'm hoping. Well, close above 69, close above 66, because on daily chart, we have a low, a high, a higher low, a higher high, a higher low, a higher high, a higher low, a higher high, okay. Now this level is important, 66. Don't break this level, because you will go from a uptrend here to a range at least. And I don't want this level to be touched at least. Not even touched. Okay, so closing this candle above 69, that will tell me, okay, we are still in a healthy uptrend. We are still fighting the all-time high. That's my 2 cents. The rest is up to you people. Don't chase here and don't panic sell here. Total market cap. Well, strong like ball. We are in a short reload zone, but at least we are pushing higher. We can take some liquidity here. We took some. We need to push higher. And if altcoins will start performing a little bit, I think we can do that. Higher highs and higher lows environment, uptrend channel, uptrend market. We need to hold these levels, 2.1 trillion. Simple as that. Total 2. Total 2 is kind of a range. You can see Ethereum is telling us that it's not ready yet, but it's coiling up. At some point will explode. Will go straight here in the short reload zone. You can see one candle straight up. Will be a surprise for everyone. Well, Ethereum is not dead. It's not a surprise. It's something market is doing from time to time. Just that the beginners will get surprised. They believe the influencer that they said, well, no, Solana is the greatest thing ever. Ethereum is dead. Sell your Ethereum to me and you'll see what will happen next. Okay. Total 3. Similar with total 2, but it looks like it's trying a bit harder. Still, equal highs here. I think we can take the high. I need to see that 662 billion to be taken out, and then I could be more than happy to see a retracement. But I need to see that higher high there. Maybe it's just me. Maybe. Okay, that's total 3. Now, yes. My setup is done. Was a paper trade, guys. I didn't take that trade. I'm not trading traditional market, and then I don't intend to do that next 2 years, or next year at least. Why? I have all I need on crypto. It's that simple. I don't want to be mean to say something bad about traditional market traders. Well, they are traders and they know their shit. But I could see a bit more activity, more volatility on crypto. So I'll take advantage here and then I'll join them. You will see crypto traders arena. It will be traditional traders arena. I'm joking. Will always be crypto traders, but we'll can push the traditional market also. We can trade there. So this is gone. This short reload zone is not valid anymore, and we have a new high. We are making new highs, people. That means market is strong. We discussed yesterday here. As long as it's keeping this as a support, market is strong. Nice yen. Nice result from the yen. Okay, yen give us, I think 1-to-1 here, 1.5. For a trader, 1.5 is acceptable for some of them. Even if you have 1.5 with 50% win rate, you are still profitable. And some traders are happy with that. As long as they could take trades day in, day out, 50 with the 1.5 is more than enough for them. They are positive, they are making money. So here, I could see a fake out because this all-time high happened in the ASEAN session. I could see that going back down, but the market overall is bullish. Okay, now that's the overview. Took me 15 minutes, a bit too much. Now, the trade from yesterday, if you remember from 2 days ago, we posted here Friday. We said, well, I'll take the mountain man, I'll take the shark setup. I even took another one here, and I took 0.5 on mountain man, 0.5 on general setup. On lower time frame I had a setup here, and shark with 1%. And look what happened. That's a 3-to-1 with 1%, 3% profit. I lost 0.5 and 0.5. So I lost 1%, I made 3%, 2% profit. Well, I made money. Seems like. No? I didn't close everything. I closed 70%. I don't know what will happen. I'm just a stupid trader, guys. I put my stop loss on the rest of 30%. I still put my stop loss here and I'll just leave it there. Why? Well, because I don't know what will happen. The market could go ugly, and if it will go ugly but up, I'll make some money. Yeah, slowing down, Sebastian. Slowing down. We slowed down. I told people to stay out from the market. Why? Because it's risky, it's ugly. We don't know what will happen. And you can see, not the best technical aspect of the market. But we played some levels. Why? Shark, it's usually respected. Well respected. We had this 66 as a support here. And our stop loss was all the way down here at 65, 200. So safe enough to take this trade. No? But the trade is looking differently when it's at entry. Looks ugly. You have a downtrend. Well, that's 78.6. That's the shark setup. You can take it, you can stand with it, or you don't. If you don't trade or trade something else. For me, it's easy peasy. I could trade shark all day. Man, if you are a busy man and you still want to make money in the market, I suggest to start mastering the shark setup. You think people will listen, Sebastian? No. People will try to trade 3-minute chart. In the news. Okay. That's Bitcoin. Now, you can see this is the all-time high. This is the high from a couple of days ago. Oh, well, fake out back down. We can go back down at 70k without any problem. Any problem at all. And then we form a W. This was the hype. Well, Trump won. Let's buy. This is the public. This is not anyone else. But that moon boy mentality bought here. Smart traders will not buy here. Smart traders will say, well, okay, you won. Let's wait. Let's wait for a setup. Let's wait for a reason. Let's think about really won or is just a rumor. Let's find out. Just the moon boys. Well, we'll go to the moon. People who listen to I don't know, Krypton, car from the moon, will chase the market. I'm not saying long it's wrong. No. But don't chase. Well, that's Bitcoin on 4-hour chart. Now, Ethereum. Well, you can see I have the short reload zone here. Well, in the short reload zone, if Bitcoin will follow down, will go back down at 70, this one will form a 3-bar fractal and will retest this initial W, or at least 2,500. Don't chase here. IEVO. Well, test the low, made an ugly pattern here. Pushed higher. If Bitcoin will push back at 70, this one will come back in a long reload zone, and that will be a good entry for us. I think so. Let's put a classic long reload zone, not be cheap ass. Now, look left. You can see. If I'll see IEVO back here, I could take it. V bottom? No, not a good idea to chase. And this is a V bottom. And most of the altcoins, they have the fucking V bottom. Okay, alt. I was hoping for a up and down kind of idea, and the market said, well, only up, Paul. Sorry. So straight up, we have a W here. That's a different scenario here. You can see we have a W in the megaphone trend line. But we can still do this. Well, retest of the W, it's at 61.8. Could be a good idea to wait here. I think so. Doge. I said multiple times, don't chase Doge. Well, if Trump won, you can see. We'll test even the all-time high. The high from here, 22 cents. But it's a good idea to chase Doge here? No. Even if Trump will become the Doge boss of, you know how they say that the name is similar. department of fucking, I don't know exactly. Sorry guys. That doesn't mean that will happen tomorrow. And people will say, well, it's not happening tomorrow. And someone could insert some FUD and the market could come back down and we can buy. We are allowed to chase here at 20 cents? No. The all-time high for Doge. Let's see the all-time high for Doge. Well, we are at 20 cents and the all-time high was 74 cents. Can you see a nice risk to reward? You know what a market cap Doge has? If you don't know, study it. And if you'll find out, you'll not chase anymore. Okay? I'm okay with buying Doge at the lows. I'm okay with nibbling in Doge. But, Sebastian. Department of Government Efficiency. Okay. Funny name. One smart idea. But if you study Doge and you see the market cap and you see what assumes that Doge will go above $1, you'll understand it's not a good idea to chase Doge. Okay? But zooming out here, we can see consolidation, long consolidation, breakout, retest, pushing higher. We can still stay here. If we'll go without us, so be it. I'm not chasing Doge at 20 cents. Sorry, guys. I was used to play Doge and buy Doge here with Brian Beamish. And Brian Beamish was saying here, well, I bought my first Doge at 1 fucking cent. Don't chase Doge, wait for Doge to give you some entries. And indeed, we had some W's and we bought some Doge at the lows here. Yeah. Who knows, he's old enough and knows Brian Beamish from the last cycle knows he wanted to change his name if Doge will touch $1. Yeah, Sedona Euphoria. You can imagine Brian Beamish being Sedona Euphoria. That is telling you how many chances Brian give to this chart to go above $1. Okay. So don't chase Doge. It's a funny story. Old people know what Sedona Euphoria means for Brian Beamish. And if you go on Brian, please remember him about Sedona Euphoria. Okay, so that's Doge, don't chase. Let's go back on 4-hour chart. I'm on weekly. What the fuck I'm doing on weekly? Doji. With Doge pushing higher, I don't think wants to give us a re-entry. I don't think so. So we can wait. I'll buy $1 at some point if he'll come back. And he'll probably come back at $1. Dimension. Well, 4-hour chart, you can see. This is an ugly kind of a W or a head and shoulder, inverse head and shoulder. We can push straight up. Yeah, we can. We'll chase. No. Fat. People, don't chase this one. Let's zoom out a little bit more on daily. Why you should not chase? Well, we don't have a W. Well, we don't have anything. It's just a bounce. Bitcoin is strong and everything is bouncing, and okay, altcoins will follow. Yeah, altcoins are at the ground already. Not too many things you can do to them. Who wanted to sell sold already. There are some people that they need to be scared a little bit stronger, so they all sell the bottom. But overall, it's kind of done. I'm still waiting on FET at $1. Hopefully I'll get my level. Similar here, we are in a range. On daily we don't have a W. On 4-hour chart we don't have a W. We kind of have something, but that's not a W. I'll wait for something clear. I'll let this one pump and then hunt at the long reload zone. Maybe the W will be bigger and then I have to change my approach. Similar here, I was waiting for a shoulder. The right shoulder, and you can see straight up. Short reload zone here, don't chase. Osmo. Similar, everything looks kind of the same. This one has a better W than the rest. You can see it's in the pump chaser zone and has acceptable, not the best one, still ugly, but At least looks like a double here. Saga, a good double in the long reload zone, breakout, but we don't have a retest, so we can do the same. Don't chase. I sound like an old man. Don't chase, but you are here to make money, or you are here to FOMO in. It's up to you. Long reload zone will be a good idea. 61.8. Here you can play the simplest version of Mountain Man, Shark, and you can play Stefan setup. That's the easiest way you can get in on this one. Just entry at 61.8, stop loss all the way down. Okay? Simple as that. This is the simplest way. That's why Stefan was using it at the beginning. He managed to, well, I'll buy 61.8 and I'll risk all the way down. Now you have a high here, you have another high, okay. You can take this one. Okay. Solana. Well, I said in this area don't short Sol. Meme coins are strong. If meme coins are strong, Solana would be strong. Huh? That's the strength of Solana for the moment. And you can see we took the high and we can push to 200 like we discussed, 200, 220 pretty easily. Solana just waited for a reason to pump. That's the idea. If you have Solana, well, enjoy it. You can play some meme coins if you know what you're doing to multiply your Solana. But Solana is strong is not something, if you have it, you want to sell it. Okay? If you have Solana, you don't want to sell it. Even if you go back to 100. Even if you go back to lower levels. You don't want to sell it. You want to keep it and try to sell it as close as possible to the top. Where the top will be? Well, could be at 500, could be at 1000. Who knows? Could be more. I don't know. Tao. Well, V bottom here. I'll chase Tao? No. Look left. Nah. Look left. Resistance. If it will be a V bottom, it will push all the way up to 700 without a stop. Also be it without me. Thank you. I'm not chasing. You know that. Tia. Well, Tia has something nice. Look at this one. I think Bochan was waiting for this one. Well, he has something here. Has something on Tia. 3 to 1, I think it's a good idea. I'll have to zoom out to see where I should think take profit. Well, this one it's a good one. A 3 to 1. Why? I have this big yam here. Retesting of the neckline. It's a good target for me to take my profit. So a 3 to 1 here. Don't chase. Wait for a retest. You can be a cheap ass here? I think you can. It's Tia had a 90% unlock, so you can put at the candle body highs your entry, and that will give you a 4.3 risk to reward. Yeah. You are assuming to miss the trade, but it's up to you. So I could see a setup here. Entry at the week high or a candle body highs. Because we have everything we need here. Look at bullish divergence, even OBV is starting to push higher. So we definitely could take a trade here. Okay? You want me to do the classic way? Okay, I could do the classic way. High, low, show me the short reload zone. There you go. Look at it. 61.8 here. That's my target. Yeah. That's why I put my take profit here. So it's up to you. You want a 4.3 or you want a 3 to 1. And because if you put the high, you have 3.1. With the fees, 3 risk to reward. Okay? It's up to you how you frame this setup. I just saw it now. Looks nice. Indicator are looking okay. Could fail? Yeah. Too much liquidity. Too many people with a lot of TIA that could panic here. And you know people, seeing TIA not performing well, I'll sell my TIA and I'll buy. What is pumping more? Well, FET. I'll buy FET. At least it's moving. And then FET is not moving and TIA start moving. Well, I'll sell my FET and I'll buy TIA. Fucking, at least it's moving. And from $10,000 in a bullish market, they could manage to make, I don't know, 5,000. Or to at least not make some money. You got the idea, yeah? Play setups. If it's not moving for the moment. Don't chase the one is moving. You can see. I'll go and chase ING at $20 here. Nah, sorry, not for me. I'll buy TIA here because didn't pump yet and I have a setup, yes. Just give me an entry. Well, I hope so, Elvis, I hope so. I hope the people will not, they need to hear, they'll listen. And at least with us, you know, I showed you multiple times. I told you when everyone was bearish. Repeat after me, the market is strong. I'm telling you now when everyone is bullish. Well, don't be the public. Don't chase. Don't be the last to buy. It's kind of a buy the rumor, sell the news event. Be patient. We have tools to chase the market if will be the case. Yeah? I was criticized when I said the market is strong. I'll be criticized now that I'm saying don't chase. But I don't fucking care. I'm not an influencer. I'm not here to have hundreds of thousands of people following me and tell me how great I am. No, thank you. I'm a trader. If I see that is not okay, I'll tell you, well, it's not okay. I'm not chasing. I'm not FOMOing in. I'm waiting. If I'll see the market is strong, as I saw immediately after the Trump speech, if you remember when he said about Bitcoin, I told you at that point in time, well, something changed in the fucking market. The market is different. The market is strong from now on. And look what happened after that. It's what I see in the market, what matters to me. If you like it, okay. I'm not the best trader. I could fail. I could be wrong. I'm sometimes 45% wrong. Okay? So I don't feel the need for someone to confirm my opinion. I don't have a problem with that. You can tell me, well, you are stupid, Paul. You are telling not to chase when Trump won the election. He's a president of the United States and the market will go to the moon without you. You are stupid. I don't care. I'll play my setups. Even if maybe you'll make more money than me. I don't care. I'll make my money. My target here is to make money. Day in, day out. Day in, day out. It's a job. What I'm doing, live stream and everything I do here is like a passion. Well, let's do something nice for the people. It's not totally for free, but it's mostly free. Okay, that's the, if you want to take it, okay. Stefan will tell you, well, this candle needs a deeper retest. And he's right. He'll probably tell you to buy the candle body highs or maybe even a bit lower. Okay? Okay. And remember, don't put too much here because this one could fail. Anything else? I don't think is the case. Yes, it's strong like bull. It will be stronger than Bitcoin now in the news. It's more affected by the news than Bitcoin. Altcoins. Well, we have hedges back in the long reload zone at 61.8 from, let's see, not this one. Come on, motherfucker. 1 second. I have the fib wrong. We are in the long reload zone. At 78.6, if I'll see a W at 78.6, you know, shitcoins love to make a W and reverse at 78.6. If you don't know, write it down, put it in your on your screen somewhere or in front of your face to remember that. Altcoins love to make W's and reverse at 78.6. I learned that from Brian Beamish a long time ago. And I'll tell you the same thing. It's working. I don't need to fix it if it's working. Okay, so I will wait for a W in this area. Anyway, a W in the long reload zone on 50-minute chart, I don't know, maybe 1 hour. Give me a W on 1 hour. Okay, so if I'll see a W in 1 hour, I'll probably play the retest game. I sold most of the coins I had here. Not exactly at the top, and 85, 80. I still have 30%. Made nice profit. Enjoyed it. Thank you, Carol. Huh? Remember, Carol posted this one here. He will not everything Carol will post will do something like this, but you don't need that. You need some of them to do something like this, and you'll make money with Carol calls. So take advantage. This entire week, everyone has access on DGen channel. It's like a bonus. Let's give them access. We have activity. At least I'll keep you out from chasing Bitcoin if you are chasing meme coins with coffee money. Okay? Okay, that's Hedges. We have a Chipmunk. I don't know. I think Julian posted or someone posted or Alex. This one. I bought it. I sold half on a double. I have a free position. Could go belly. Could go straight up. Could do something at least as the highs. Yeah, it could. Looks nice. It's about a tweet Elon Musk did. Obi Pnat Kenobi. Yeah? You can see this is the tweet from Elon Musk. Yeah. So has something behind. Elon Musk is the biggest one in Twitter. So I could see that one hitting some record levels. Yeah, that's why I bought. Sold half on a double. I don't want to care about it. If it will perform, if Elon Musk will go back down, go on this tweet and retweet it or say something again, Obi Pnat Kenobi, this one will go do on 100x. Simple as that, guys. That's the reality we are living in. It's strange. It's kind of ugly. Looks like it's a joke, like we are in a bad movie, but that's the reality. Elon Musk is pumping a squirrel and you're making money. That's the reality. Good or bad. So this one is at the lows here. You can think about nibbling a coffee or something. I'll say to buy. No, I cannot say buy meme coins. Nah, meme coins. The name meme coins is telling you everything. It's up to you if you want to fuck around there. Okay. We talked about these ones. Calendar. We have tomorrow big news. We know that. Today, we are in the big news today. Why? Because we don't know exactly if Trump won or not. Looks like it. Seems like it. Smells like it. But we don't know. For sure. Nothing else I could tell you here. I could go back on Bitcoin and I could say, well, if you want to chase in an uptrend, because this is an uptrend, guys. Uptrend. Higher highs, higher lows. Low, high, higher low, higher high. What you should do here? Well, let's do something like this. Let's take this. I said we should adapt. Well, look at it. Here is the area, 70k. This is the area for a, I don't know, 1 hour W maybe. Maybe 50-minute chart W here. That could give us another entry. Even 61.8 could be a new higher low and then to push higher. Who knows? But for the moment, we are going back down below the old all-time high. For the moment. Yeah, was a nice SFU for the moment there. Well, people, let's see what we have in the chat. I didn't pay too much attention on the chat because I didn't saw requests. Yeah, Katalin. But you have an excuse at least. So, people, what we can do today is to stay mostly on the sidelines, wait for some setups. We are still in the dangerous environment this week. Yeah, we can see 5,000, 10,000 candles in a short period of time. This one was a candle like I told you. We started the 4-hour candle at 69 and we closed it, we touched 75. Okay, 6,000, more than $6,000 candle in 4 hour, not daily, 4 hour chart. If I'll put daily, well, daily is from 6, similar. So it's exactly what I told you. High volatility. That means it's bearish. That doesn't mean it's bullish. It's just high volatility. This one could finish the day with a dark maul, a retest of 66. Who knows? Stay out, people. Stay out. Don't play if you don't know how to play as a scalper, day trader. And everyone thinks he knows. Well, I know how to play. Yeah, I know. And when the market is hitting his stop loss, he's moving the stop loss lower, hoping for that will reverse. Or removing the stop loss entirely. And that's that penalty for your portfolio. So either you have 1,000, 2,000 trades under your belt as a day trader, or stay the fuck out. Not the right environment to learn how to trade, that's for sure. When you have a candle of $6,000 or $7,000, and we can get more. Okay, let's go back on 4-hour chart. So looks like a nice fake out. On 1 hour it's even better, you can see. Yeah. Let's see what will happen. The support, the first support is at 70k. Look left and you see. Yeah, 70k, it's a good level to think bounce. And we'll bounce from here. That being said, I said 20 minutes and I spoke about 40 minutes. Again, I need to resolve that problem. I love you guys are enjoying the chat. I love to hear myself, seems like. But I'm here to make money, so I need to go and find some trades. Okay, let's call it a live stream. If you are a premium member, hear you in the New York session, where we'll try to find more setups. Okay? Okay, see you guys.